Well, hello, my friends. We'll just continue where we left off last week, won't we? On the starboard side, there are still some holes that need to be patched. Since welding here didn't go super smoothly either, I called upon the help of my windscreen once again. Looking back at it, the starboard side is in far better condition than the north-facing port side. Understandably, after all those years of inactivity. Here too, a quick pass with the angle grinder and a steel brush before thoroughly cleaning everything. First with vacuum cleaner and then with compressed air. You know the system by now from the previous episode. It's time to mix some phosphoric acid. As you saw in episode 11, you can dilute the pure phosphoric acid with at least an equal part of water. But remember, always pour the acid into the water and not the other way around. I spray the phosphoric acid on the rusty parts and then go over them again with a brush for perfect penetration. Et voilà! It is finally time to fix my manhole. I don't know how to say this with a straight face, but the information is correct and I'm not saying anything wrong. The old rusty raged edge has got to go and the surface is prepped to weld the new one on. I'm really happy with the result. A few spot welds in various places and then attempting to make a decent weld upside down. There's a first for everything. I'm glad this led to a good result. An attentive subscriber, and my sincerest apologies for not remembering your name. I searched through the past comments but I couldn't find you. Anyway, he gave me the tip to radius the edges, if that's even a word. I learned from him that straight edges don't hold paint well, so I mixed some epoxy filler to create a smooth transition with my deck. My idea was to cut a 45-degree angle from this ruler, and then, after applying some, scrape it flat with the ruler over the deck to achieve a nice even seal. Now, let's see how quickly I abandoned that idea. There you go, done. After drying overnight, I'll sand it with a 180 grit sandpaper and it's ready to be painted. In all my enthusiasm between the rain showers, I brushed too vigorously and also cut the power cable to my angle grinder. Time to fix this. Can you fucking believe it? Can you believe it? The screwdriver broke inside the screw. Yet another hurdle to overcome. Sometimes all you need to fix an angle grinder is another angle grinder. No repair would be complete without a piece of gaffer tape. And in other news, a rare passing of the sun will be visible over the country today. Astronomers have gathered to watch one of the rarest astronomical spectacles over Belgium in the last few months. The object will take the form of a circular yellow ball of fire slowly panning from the east to the west through what appears to be a blue background, commonly known as the sky. Should we offer all our virgins or take the opportunity to come and paint 2 layers of Sigma 280? Well, I opted for the latter. So I started mixing 2-component Sigma 280 coat. As a rule of thumb for how long you actually need to mix your paint, I always follow: take the time you need to mix the components, and when you think you're done, you do some more. Repotting is also a very important step of a good mix. Doesn't it give you an incredible sense of satisfaction to watch this? I'll keep my mouth shut and you just enjoy the result. Oh, wait a minute. Here, I'll just interrupt myself and give myself a medal. Look at that technique! The left leg elegant as counterbalance, as if he's been doing it for years, and oh, he can also do it with the right leg. Oh, beautiful! The second layer is a bit less spectacular, but just as important. As compensation, I offer you a beautiful sunset. Enjoy this, a boat that's really enjoying.